motherfuckers. Always running y'all's motherfucking mouth. Get your ass over here, mister. Oh, yeah, pull over. I'm right here, you cripple-looking motherfucker. Come over here so I can wipe your goddamn face on this motherfucking concrete. Crackheaded motherfucker, I'll whoop your
Hi. What are you doing? Working? Oh, okay. I thought you were listening to the neighbors.
Huh?
I thought you went over there to listen to the neighbors.
What?
Outside. What were they saying? No way.
No, no.